Okay, so I have Captivate open. I go to slides, PowerPoint slide. Okay. This is a blank project, by the way. I find my Apex Learning, my final module that I created in PowerPoint. I hit open. This comes up. I've installed Java, so I have done that. So I'm not sure why that keeps happening. And then this is blank, like my slide preview is blank. Like I'm not sure why it's not coming up. It was just working like 10 minutes ago, but then I had to go back to PowerPoint and change some slides and add what I wanted to add in the PowerPoint before I imported it, and now it's not working. So I'm not sure, and I've restarted my computer twice now, installed Java twice. I'm not sure if that has something to do with it. And I changed the sizes like of the blank project. I've changed the sizes to fit the dimensions of the PowerPoint. I've tried their preset sizes. I'm not sure what to do from here.